Today's woodworking vocab word is wood grain. So simply put, wood grain is the arrangement of the wood fibers and the pattern that arrangement makes. So grain is the alternating regions of relatively lighter and darker wood that results from the differing growth parameters occurring in different seasons. So earlier in the season, you'll have more rapid growth and a lighter color wood, and later in the season, you'll get a darker wood from a more slow growth. So when you cut a tree down, that's why you see the rings of darker and lighter wood. Now, if you cut a tree horizontally, like making a plank, that's when you'll get to see these different grain patterns. So the top grain pattern is a straight grain. A straight grain runs a single direction that is parallel to the axis of the tree. Next, you'll see a wavy grain example. Wavy grain grows in a wavy fashion up the trunk. Then we have an irregular grain, which is caused by lots of different figures in the wood. That could be a burl or a crotchwood, where one of the limbs of the tree fell off, and when the wood was recovering, it made like an irregular mark on the outside of the tree. And then this last little one here is an interlocked wood. So grain can grow in a spiral up the tree, and if it goes one direction for a couple years and then reverses direction, it's called an interlocked grain. And this type of grain is particularly difficult to work with. Next, we're going to talk about how the way the log is cut will affect the way that these grains appear.